Introducing the Godrej Air Matic Kit. The kit contains one air freshener machine and a refill. This room freshener gives an aromatic, refreshing fragrance made from viola flowers. Godrej Air Matic offers flexible control over the intensity of the spray with 3 options: 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and 40 minutes. One unit of the freshener gives around 2,200 air sprays which can keep the space fragrant for up to 60 days. The product dimensions are 11.6 cm by 9 cm by 23 cm and it weighs 134 grams. To use, simple place it on a flat surface or mount it on the wall with the mounting hole. The freshener can be used in living as well as public spaces. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.